Hello, welcome to Elevate Vocal Academy, where we empower singers to maximize their singing potentials. Today, I'll be exposing you to 3 singing techniques that can make you sound like a pro. I know you've been singing, and sometimes people talk to you, why did you sound like that? Why is your voice like that? Even you, sometimes you don't like the way you sound. Oh, I sound flat. Oh, I don't, it's not there. These 3 singing techniques are basic singing techniques, but if you master them, you will sound like a pro. The first one is phrasing. Phrasing is how you engage your lyrics, especially with punctuation marks. So whenever you see commas, full stop, all those punctuations, you are not supposed to breathe on your words. So if you're singing a song like, my beloved is the most beautiful, you are not supposed to take a breath on top of your words. So you avoid that. And also, you have to choose which style of phrasing you are using. There is staccato and there is legato. Staccato means short and detached. Legato means smooth without any break. Most of the times, legato is better when you are singing slow songs, ballads, what we call worship songs. So you have a song like, my beloved is the most beautiful among thousands and thousands. Yeshua. Now you see, there is legato. And it's possible to also sing like, my beloved is the most beautiful. Now, which one do you prefer for this kind of genre? Of course, the first one. Because for a slow-moving song, you need your notes to join. So the tail end of your first note must join with the head of your next note. That is legato singing. And you sing one phrase without breathing. So, my beloved is the most beautiful. That is one phrase. You cannot breathe until you finish that phrase. That is phrasing. Now, for faster songs, you can decide to do staccato at some point, like the same, my beloved. My beloved is the most beautiful among thousands, among thousands. Yeshua. Phrasing. The way you phrase either makes you sound like an amateur or a professional singer. So phrasing is number 1. Number 2, muscle control. There are muscles, around your vocal organs. When you make your sound is so minute, it is not strong enough for people to hear. The vocal cords will just make something little. So you need the articulators to make it clear, and you need the resonators to make it louder. So in singing, there are 3 things involved in your sound production. The phonation, which is just from the vocal cords, then the articulation from your lips, your teeth, your tongue, and then the resonance. We're not talking about resonance today, but you're going to need your resonance, your chest, your mouth dome, the space behind your head, your nasal cavity. These 3 areas come together to make your sound. If you're singing and you're not controlling your muscles, your singing is going to be bare. Just going to be there. My beloved is the most beautiful. I'm controlling the muscles around there. It's not, my beloved is the most beautiful among thousands. As much as you don't want to constrict your tongue, you don't want to raise your neck to avoid all the tensions, you still need some muscle control so that there'll be firmness in your tone. It's very, very important your tone has to be firm. So muscle control is something you've developed over time, but you have to be aware that your voice is not just what comes out like my be, my be, my beloved, my. A little head compression is part of muscle control. A little firmness of this place. So when you sing, let's say you want to sing a high pitch, you can put 2 fingers here. And you feel the pressure. So muscle control is very important. I'm going to be giving you some exercises to strengthen your vocal muscles. 3, pitch to volume mastery. It is amateurish for you to sing your lower notes quiet and your higher pitches louder. Lower notes are quiet, higher pitches are louder. It is not professional. For you to sing professional, you have to make sure that whether you are singing a very high pitch or a very low pitch, you maintain volume. Now, the opposite of this is dynamics control. That is another type of singing technique. And that is based on the mood that you want to achieve. You can increase your volume sometimes or decrease your volume sometimes, during the course of your singing. But your volume is not going up because your pitch is going up, or your volume going down because your pitch is going down. So if you're singing a song like this, when I am down and so my soul so weary. Now that's the lower part. Then you want to go to the you raise me up and you go, you raise me up so I can. That's wrong. This is what you do. When I was down and oh my soul so weary. And you go up. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. And this is where muscle control comes in again. This is where breath control comes in again. So you cannot do without muscle control, breath control, in your singing. And that's why in the beginning of any singing class, we emphasize on posture, breath control, and part of posture is muscle control. I'm going to give you some exercises that you're going to be doing to improve on your phrasing, muscle control, and pitch to volume mastery. Stay here. Muscle control exercise. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Remember, this exercise is very loud. You have to sing it loudly. You have to put like one breath, and you go like that, front and back, front and back, front and back for muscle control. Pitch to volume mastery exercise. Same volume. And ladies, you can go on. Ladies. Remember, you don't want to shout because you are taking a higher pitch. You want to maintain same volume. Phrasing exercise. Now, you are not going to breathe until you finish this phrase. So, this exercise for phrasing is a tongue twister. So we have to do better, butter, bought some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. Better butter, bought some better butter, bought some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. Better butter, bought some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. So we sing it. Better butter, bought some butter, but she said this butter bitter. Better butter, bought some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. Butter. So you do it twice and you take a breath. Then you continue again. So this is the exercise now. Better butter, bought some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. Better butter, bought some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. Again, take a breath and you go again. 1, 2, go. Better butter, bought some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. Better butter, bought some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. You can look for more tongue twisters online and turn them to singing. So you'll be able to sing one for a phrase without breathing, just to improve your phrasing. If you have any question, post them in the comment section. I'm going to try my best to respond to them ASAP. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next time.